should be able to provide enough energy to help us reopen the portal. As for you, I'm afraid if you don't make it back on time, we won't wait for you. Don't let poor punctuality be your downfall. You seem like an honest, if simple-minded sort of person, so do enjoy. Today, I will provide you with more defensive turrets. In addition, I've sent you my latest turret design. You may look over the blueprints for more details. Upgrading the original turret should help it endure more of those creatures.
Do not be stingy with bullets either. Let them rain down like hellfire.
Was a fight. Try to dogpile us when the sun's down and run scared the minute it comes up, will ya? Friggin' cowards.
This is not that complicated. Just look at the vortex. The etheric energy rages at night. Transmission cracks open, and these monsters are then attracted by the energy. Like raccoons drawn to the dumpster. But these are infinitely more fun to blow up. Devices are being accumulated to protect the base when we are ready to go home.
The airdrop has been delivered.
What the hell, Doc? We teleported, but we're still in the same damn place.
Do you think I don't know that, Dempsey? The energy in this space is too strong. It's sucking us in place like candy. We need to harness more of that energy ourselves to break through this barrier.
Ah, I see broken clock ticks off.
9? Holy shit. There are even more cracks for the monsters to teleport through now. Get ready, soldier. This is gonna be a big one.
The teleportation device needs more work. The etheric energy is going to attract more enemies in the meantime, so I built more turrets for you to use and upgrade with the materials gathered. Don't make a bigger mess of this.
Get those bastards away from it!
The turret has been damaged.
Watch out, your turret's being torn apart. Watch out, your turret's being torn apart.
Are severely damaged. What exactly was the point of having you here again?
Whoa. What is this? I've seen a huge graveyard signal. It's not even close to sundown.
Huh? That energy reading is strong indeed. This must be a big one. And if it's this strong during the day, then imagine after dark.
Something is not right here, my friend. We should get rid of these creatures now before they have chance to grow stronger from the Aether storm.
Spotted! Never mind.
Look, this one, it looks like a butcher type. Interesting. For me, from a safe distance, I'm sure for you it's actually quite terrifying.
Strong. Look for something, anything you might be able to fight that thing off. Grab a vehicle and ram that rock gorilla back into its grave, that's what it is. Listen, the base has its own warehouse that can be used for storage. That warehouse also lets you share supplies with your teammates. Trust me, this is not the time to be a lone wolf.
Good job, friend. A huge threat has been defeated.
try again tonight. All towers have been unlocked as well, so make good use of them.
Let's give the meatbags everything we got. Get those bastards away from it! Turret's under attack. Fix them before they're lost.
Your turrets have been damaged. Go now and fix it.
Turret's under attack. Fix them before they're lost.
Damn, the continuity of time or space has been irrevocably disturbed. Someone must be here. It's about to fall into the dark lane. Transmission has been terminated.
Richthofen, what did you mean by someone? Are you saying that someone sent us here on purpose? Or is it preventing us from leaving? That sounds impossible.
Isn't that obvious? Every time we try to execute our plan, something new happens to hinder it. My operation is flawless. It's not someone disrupting it. We would already be gone. But don't worry. Nothing can overwhelm genius like mine. Trust me. The next time will be the one.
Soldier, meet us at the new location. This is our last chance. Airdrop has been delivered. I'll mark the locations of a few crystals on the map. Don't exactly get how you think you can control them while making them go nuts, though.
Take this. It's a device that will cause a reaction within the ether crystals. Use it when in close proximity and smash them. Then you'll be able to gather the pure crystallized energy that's released. Or it will resemble several frag grenades blowing up in your face. Certainly one of those things.
No way this ain't gonna draw in hordes of package chewers. You knew about this, didn't you?
I have no idea what you're talking about, Dempsey. Now hurry! Smash the ether crystals! Well done. Just look at how pure the ether energy you've gathered is. With this, we'll be out of here in no time.
There are many materials around those wrecked crystals. You better pick them all up. Do not waste any.
Hurry up. It's time for our last stand.
Comrades, let's make this place cleaner than the halls of KGB.
Get those bastards away from it!
What are you doing? The base is smoking! Clear the elbow!
Dick, I feel weird all of a sudden. My memories I don't even know are all fighting inside my brain for top billing. I'm seeing visions of a castle made of steel. In a dark swamp. Why is this so...
Sure, your memories of other fragmented universes seem to be overlapping.
It's just a side effect of etheric energy. Nothing to be concerned about.
Watch out, your turret's being torn apart.
I'll flank. I'll flank.
Attacked.
Get those... Your turrets are not looking so good, comrade. Focus on repairing them.
Time on spacecraft scanning completed. Coordinate positioning completed. Energy transmission path normal. Countdown to teleport start. 3, 2, 1. Teleport start. Look, a new portal is open. Men,
They are going home.